Welcome to Proline Range Hoods. This video will guide you through the process of converting your Proline under cabinet range hood to ductless by installing a recirculating kit. Proline Range Hoods recommends that all installation and electrical wiring be done by qualified professionals in accordance with all applicable codes and standards. These are some of the tools you'll need: a power drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil or Sharpie, a level, gloves, box knife, included hardware, blocking material if applicable. Before you begin, test the range hood first by plugging it into an outlet and testing the fan and lights. Do not proceed with installation if the unit is damaged or has missing or broken parts. Carefully unpack the recirculating kit, noting all included hardware, and remove any protective film from the range hood before installation. Proline under cabinet range hoods must be installed to studs, supports, and/or cabinetry. Remove the pre-cut metal section of the top of the range hood and recirculating box to allow for electrical wires to pass through. Step 1. Determine the placement of the recirculating kit and how the kit will affix to the cabinetry. Consider aesthetics and make sure the kit does not interfere with the function of the range hood. Step 2. Remove the front face plate from the recirculating kit and carefully mark the location of the holes that need to be drilled for attaching the recirculating kit to the cabinetry. The front face plate of the kit should sit flush with your cabinet doors. Step 3. Drill the necessary holes in the recirculating kit to allow for your screws to affix to the cabinetry. Step 4. Secure the recirculating kit to the cabinetry using the provided screws. Ideally, you want to secure the recirculating kit into your cabinetry vertically and both sides to ensure it's mounted securely. Standard cabinet depth can vary depending on the style of the cabinet. To accommodate a 13-inch depth will involve some blocking behind your range hood to allow for proper mounting to the back wall. Step 5. Feed the electrical wires from the range hood through the opening of the recirculating kit. Step 6. Align the recirculating kit with the top of the range hood, ensuring it's positioned correctly and flush with the faceplate. Step 7. Secure the range hood according to the installation instructions provided by Proline Range Hoods. Consult your range hood's user manual for information on the care and cleaning of the recirculating kit and the replacement of the filters. By following these steps, you can successfully convert your Proline under cabinet range hood to a ductless application. Enjoy the benefits of a ductless range hood without sacrificing performance or style.